ready to ditch the resume graveyard and finally land that dream job. First, head over to JobStreet.com and use the search bar to find jobs that match your skills and experience. Be specific with keywords like your job title and industry. Next, refine your search results using the filters on the left. You can narrow down by location, salary, job type, and even company size to find the perfect fit. Once you find a job you're interested in, click on it to view the full details. Carefully read the job description and requirements. If you're a good match, hit the Apply Now button. JobStreet will automatically fill in the application form with the information from your profile. Take a moment to review it and make any necessary edits. This is your chance to shine. Now, upload your resume and a tailored cover letter. Make sure they are in PDF or Word format and highlight the skills and experience relevant to the specific job. Finally, double-check everything and submit your application. You'll receive a confirmation message and email, and that's it. You've officially applied for a job on JobStreet. Pro tip: keep your JobStreet profile updated with your latest skills, experience, and education to increase your chances of getting noticed by recruiters. Good luck with your job search.